Natalia.
And I'm Sophia. We are broadcasting from the David J. Bloom Broadcasting Studio.
Today is October 29, 2022, and today is an open house here at Sacred Heart, Greenwich. Sophia, did you know that our school was founded in 1848 and that there are 200 schools in 44 countries?
I know, I love this. And you know what? I talked to some of the girls who went to the other Sacred Heart schools, and they say that they're the same. I mean, I know they're in different places, but what we share is the same, like the goals and criteria. Here at Sacred Heart, we respect ourselves and others, and we try to do our best to help others. We try to give 100% and accept everyone for who they are.
Yes, we have Sacred Heart pride, especially for our white and green teams.
Let's go to our field reporters, Gigi and Isla, to hear from some of our classmates about what they think of the lower school.
What's one of your favorite things that you did at Sacred Heart?
I liked doing the claymation. It was really fun.
How come?
Because, it was fun doing art, because that's one of my favorite things.
Thank you. What's your favorite thing about working at Sacred Heart?
Oh, that's easy. Definitely the students.
How come?
Our students are so bright and they're so eager and they just are so happy to learn. So they're a joy to teach.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for being one of those students.
You're welcome.
Exciting thing that you did during the second grade year.
Oh, my first communion. It was beautiful. What makes coming to Sacred Heart special? Well, every single time I walk into Sacred Heart, I get welcomed by some of the teachers that are passing in the hall, and also my friends who welcome me a lot when I come in. And just having a community at Sacred Heart is pretty important.
Something that I like about Sacred Heart is science, because right now we're working on dinosaur habitats and we're going to build its habitat. About Sacred Heart is that everybody's loving and prayerful.
What's one of your favorite memories?
Kanye! Thanks, everyone. I love hearing all the beautiful things you said about our school. We're sure lucky.
I can't wait for Kanje, and of course some of the new things we will be learning about.
Me too. We can't forget about our birthdays this week. A big shout out to Blair, Catherine, Penelope, Caroline, and Carlisle.
Happy birthday! Well, that's the news for today. We leave you with this quote from St. Madeline Sophie Barrett. Be humble, be simple, bring joy to others. Have a great day from our hearts to yours.